So today in the shop we have a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8 version. It's got a 6.4 liter Hemi. Came to us with a Procharger already installed on this. So the customer came in for a complete exhaust and a tune. The customer did supply his own exhaust there, so we put on headers, high flow cats with the high performance mufflers on there to give it a little bit more throaty sound. The guy did want his stock tips back on there. The ones that came with the kit were stainless, polished. They didn't really like the look. The stock tips were black. So we were able to cut the stock tips off the stock exhaust and weld them onto the new exhaust. Along with the exhaust, he brought us a set of lowering springs to lower the stance of the vehicle. Dropped it about 1.5 inches all the way around. After putting in the springs, we were able to use the stock shocks in there. So we performed a 4-wheel alignment. So after the alignment, we stuck this on the dyno. We retuned his computer settings there. Picked up a handful of horse. Launch on this thing is sick to say the least. It really throws you back in the seat. With the all-wheel drive, there's no slip. It's just direct takeoff. Customer picked it up and he's been driving it with no calls back, so I'm sure he's happy with it.